So lately, I've been getting into flying drones thanks to this toy drone I got as a Christmas gift. And it's a fun drone to fly around, but because it's a toy, it's not the highest quality drone. Like the camera on this thing isn't very good. And it doesn't fly very smoothly either. I've been wanting to upgrade to a better drone. The only problem is, they all cost a fortune, and I'm broke, so yeah. So I've been digging around doing my own research, and I came across this, the DJI Mini 4K. It's got some really nice specs, such as a nice 10km of HD video transmission, a lengthy 31 minutes of max flight time, and a high quality camera that can record up to 4K video. Sounds great, right? Well, I haven't mentioned the best part. It only cost $300. And it was on sale at the time I was recording this too, which makes it even better. With all these features and the price of this drone, there's no way I could have passed up this offer. And, well, I bought it. Because why wouldn't I? Alright, and here it is, the DJI Mini 4K. I've been waiting for so long to get this and to open it up, and it's finally here. And also, this is my first ever unboxing video, so if the quality is kind of bad, I'm sorry, I'm trying my best. Yeah, but anyways, enough yapping. Let's get right into unboxing this thing. Alright, the outer seal is being taken off. Alright, before we actually get inside it, let's take a look outside the box first. So here on the back, there's a nice picture of the actual drone. And by the way, this is the Fly More combo, which does cost more than the baseline DJI Mini 4K bundle. So yeah, let's see here. Is there anything else on the sides? We got more branding. Oh hey, here's the list of things that it comes with. We'll look into those a little bit more, but yeah. And on the bottom, there's not much. Age of 16 plus, nah, it'll be fine. Let's actually get inside this box. So peel that. There we go. Moment of truth. Here is the actual case that it comes in. Whoa, it's a nice leather case. I think it's leather, not sure, but it feels pretty high quality, so yeah. So here's the box, we're done with this, so now for the actual stuff itself. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the other stuff that this comes with. So here are some extra cables in this upper compartment, also yeah, the plug-in, the cables and stuff like that. The extra stuff, such as, ooh hey, free snack. Bruh. Just got the extra propeller blades, and then a little screwdriver as well. Oh shoot, wait, is there no lightning cable? Oh shoot, I just realized these are USB-C cables and not light. Oh wait, there's no lightning cable? Anyways, what's in here? I guess a cloth, the starting or quick start guide, other stuff. Oh hey, and a two-way charging hub as well. That comes with the Fly More combo. And then here is the actual remote, the two-way charging hub for the 3 batteries this combo comes with. Now for the main subject, the drone itself. And dang, it is a small drone. There it is in my palm. That's, wow. It's like the size of my phone. Alright. And so yeah, this is the charging hub that can charge 3 batteries at once. The 2 extra batteries are here. The other battery is currently in the drone itself, but yeah. And there is your remote, or at least, or I guess my remote. It's not your guys's though. Wow. So let's see how. Alright, this is the place where the phone goes. Sweet, very nice. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's not it. Wait, is it? Yes! Oh, it does have a lightning! Oh my gosh! Okay, it does come with a lightning cable. Nice. Now, for the actual drone itself. If I can open this. Why do I have a hard time opening these stupid bags? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! That's amazing. Okay, so I guess that's how you open the battery compartment. And then the actual camera itself. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Alright. And this is what it looks like folded out. Heck yeah. So, I'm assuming that's gonna be all for the unboxing experience. Gotta say, very exciting unboxing experience, especially because this is my first actual drone, and it's gonna be a really good upgrade to the cheap toy drones that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this set up, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and take her for a test flight. And so yeah, so see you guys then. And welcome to my backyard. So here I have the DJI Mini 4K set up back. Well, it's not on, it's just kind of sitting there right now. But I have my camera equipment set up, and yeah, so all I have to do is just pair it to the remote controller, and then we can go ahead and start flying it. So I guess let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, so the drone is all set up. I got the remote and my phone paired to the drone itself, and now all that's left to do is to actually start flying.
Take off.
Alright, motors have started.
Point updated.
And there she goes. Dang, that is a quiet drone. So I guess let's head over to the drone recording now. Okay. So now we are recording on the actual drone. And so far, the image looks really nice. This is 4K at 30 FPS, and it is a little dark out here, but yeah. And dang, that is actually really nice. I'm not gonna fly too far because I don't want to lose my drone, but still, this is actually. The image is also surprisingly stable as well. Probably thanks to the built-in gimbal it has. And dang, look at that sunset. See if I can zoom in there. Oh yeah. Wow, that is beautiful. Let's go ahead and go over here and then test the return to home feature.
Return to home.
Dang, how high does this thing go? Okay, cancel. That's way too high for comfort. Yo, wait. Oh my gosh. Actually, okay, this looks incredible. I've never actually been this high up in a I guess, flying a drone before, but dang. And you can see all the cars down there too. What? And again, this is my first time ever flying a drone, an actual drone, so this is literally blowing my mind right now. Let's see, where am I at right now? I'm right over my house. That is just amazing. Nice. Alright. Well, I think that's gonna do it for the test flight. So yeah. And there it is. My first ever actual camera drone. And I say actual because I'm upgrading from my cheap toy drone, which is probably better off as a toy. But I gotta say, I'm very impressed by all the features the Mini 4K has to offer. Its 4K camera is perfect for taking great cinematic clips, and overall I'm very happy with my purchase, or investment, if you will. I am going on a little road trip here very soon, and I am definitely going to bring the drone with me to capture some nice cinematic clips. If you do want to see that when I post it, then stay tuned, and maybe even subscribe so you can get notified. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did put a lot of work into making this, so a like on the video would be very much appreciated. And that's all I gotta say. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see ya in the next one.